Hello, we are Mark, Ryan, Jose, and we'll explain extreme sports.
The first sport is the way to the skydiving. The way to the skydiving is the most extreme sport in the world. It's a suite with wings and use the plane in the air. For the plane, you have open the arms and legs. For the dress, suite. And before, 72 people of 75 use the dress for wood, metal, plastic, and bones of animal. That for the testing the dresses. And 2 people survive using the dress for clothes.
Enduro is a form of motorbike sport. The races usually run off-road, and the motorbikes is special for mountain terrain. Enduro practice in 5 continents, but is popular in Italy, Germany, UK, Catalonia, French, Central Europe, and Scandinavia. The most popular type of enduro is rally racing or rally ride. Enduro races are very hard, and few people can cross the finish line. Enduro Extreme is the most practical and consists to win the race, but divided by stage for a day. And this race lasts 2 8 days. And if you can do enduro, you need very resistance.
Snowboarding. Snowboarding is an extreme winter sport that consists of going down a hill covered in snow on a special board. There are many types of snowboarding, but the main ones are freestyle, free ride, and border cross. My favorite style is freestyle. Freestyle consists of going down on doing jumps on rails, logs, and ropes. Freestyle also includes other styles like big air, half pipe, rail jam, and jigging. Thanks for your attention.